Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoycha Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with something different. All right, y'all. So today we're going to be making an abstract, you can call it a bangle or bracelet, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to call it a bangle. Okay, so here are the items that you will need to do this here, how to make, okay? You're going to need 2, and I got these the other day. These were 65 cents, y'all. They didn't have any more 25-cent ones. But you're going to need 6 feet of wire, okay? Now, I'm going to say this. I'm using 12 gauge aluminum wire because of the result that I want to achieve for this project. Okay, so I'm going to say this to you. You can use any wire that you have, but it may not come out the same way that I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay. Now, in order for you to have the same result, you should use 12 gauge wire. Okay. So you're going to need 2 packs. You're also going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers. I'm not going to say 3-in-1 pliers. Round nose pliers and a dowel. This little wood dowel you can get from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. They sell them. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your packs. Trying to get used to working with these nails, y'all. Y'all know me, right? And you're going to use all of this wire, okay? So if you decide to do this project and you don't have this wire from Walmart, or if you have some 12 gauge wire, just measure out 6 feet, okay, 2 pieces, and you're gonna put these 2 together, and you're gonna bring them all the way down. Now, I might be going out of frame, but don't worry, don't get upset, because I got a lot of wire right here that I'm working with. So you just want to unravel it all the way down, both pieces, okay? Now, the next thing we're going to do, once you unravel everything completely down, you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to come up to the top and you're going to put a loop on each one of these wires. So you're going to put a loop on one side and a loop on the other side. Okay, now these 2 pieces, you want them to be together, and you pretty much want them to be the same size, if at all possible. Okay, now I'm going to turn one way. I'm going to turn one the other way. So I'm going to have one piece going this way and one piece going the opposite way. Okay, pretty much just like this. I'm going to take my dowel and I'm going to start wrapping these 2 pieces on my dowel. So you want to put them together, and you just want to start wrapping them just like this. You want to take your dowel and you want to start wrapping them. Now, since you have two pieces, it's going to be a little hard to work with. Plus, it's even harder for me now, y'all, because I got these nails on. But anyway, you want to just take and start wrapping it down. And as you're wrapping it down, you want to make sure you pull your dowel out. So that once you wrap it completely, you won't have to worry about it getting stuck and trying to figure out a way for it to come off. You want it to come off easy. So you want to continue to wrap it. Now what I'm going to do, because it's going to take me a minute, because this is a lot of wire. As y'all can see, this is all you do. You want to take your dowel and you want to put it on your dowel and wrap it all the way completely down. Now I'm going to go do this, finish this off, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is how much I have wrapped so far. And like I said, every time I wrap a little bit, I pull it out, wrap a little bit, I pull it out, so that once you finish wrapping it, you won't have to fight with it to get it off. Now, I want to tell you, it doesn't have to be perfect. These loops don't have to be, I just normally just might bring mine down as I'm taking it off. They don't have to be perfect. You want them to be as close together as possible. And I only got this much left, but they don't have to be, you don't want it to be perfect, as a matter of fact, because this is an abstract bangle. Okay, so I'm almost to the end. And I'm gonna just take this out. And I'm going to come down to both of my ends, and I'm going to push this piece up like this, and I'm going to just roll it like this and tuck it down inside, or try to at least. Okay, just like that. And this one, I'm going to do the same exact way. Just roll it. And try to find somewhere to tuck it, if at all possible, just like that. Now, that's part one. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to start pulling this apart. So you're just going to take, and you're going to stretch it just like that. Okay? You're going to pull this whole piece apart. Okay, just like this. And it's going to be pretty long. Okay? This whole piece. Pretty long, okay? I got a little bit more up here I need to get out. So this is basically what you are going to have. Now the next thing that we're going to do is you want to make a circle. You want to try to figure something out that's going to be appropriate for your wrist. You want it to be, first, you want it to be comfortable. So you want to take your piece, I just want to try to pull this out a little bit more. Okay, all right, so the next thing we want to do is we want to just take our piece, and you want to try to mold it. You want to try to make a circle, but you want to make it so that, because you want it to be comfortable for your wrist. So you want to take and see how your hand fits through it, just like this. Okay, then if it's too small, then you just add some more wire to the hole to make it bigger. Okay, all right, now I don't want it to be that big, so I'm gonna start right here. I think I can work with that. Yeah. So then you want to take this piece and you just want to go just like this with it. All right, and then Now you can try it on to see if it fits. Now this is really big, and I'm going to show y'all how to make it so that it will that you can make it so that it'll fit even better. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your wire and you're going to start taking it through the hole, just like this. Okay, and you're going to be pulling it just like this. So you're going to be taking it through, feeding it through, and bringing it, whoops, and bringing it over. Okay, you're going to feed it through the back. I'm hoping y'all can understand what I'm doing. And bringing it over. All right, all you're going to do is take it over, take it through the hole, just like this. Just like that. Okay, and you're going to go through the whole bracelet. So you're going to just take it through, feed it through, and then feed it through again. And you want to take it all the way, you want to try to go all the way around with it. See what I'm doing? I'm going to try to go all the way around with it. Just feed it through. See? Feed it through. Feed it through. Okay. And feed it through. Feed it through. And you're just about at the top, because this piece right here, and you just continue to go through with it, just like this. And you squeeze it together. Okay, and this is what your bracelet is going to look like. This is abstract, okay? Now you can fix it, you can turn it to the side, you can keep it flat, straight, you can do whatever you want to with it. You want to try it on to see if it fit, and it is perfect. This is your abstract abstract bangle. Now what I want to say with this little design, this little technique that I showed y'all how to do, you can weave little beads in here if you want. That's gonna be some work. I'm gonna tell you that's gonna be some work, but it'll be well worth it. It'll be really, really gorgeous when you finish with it. But you can weave in, and you don't have to put a lot. You can put just a little couple of beads to weave it in to give it a different look. If not, you can wear it just like this. You can also, if you would like, this is the first one that I did. This is my prototype. If you want to, you can also make a pair of earrings pretty much the same exact way. The only thing about making the earrings is that you would have to leave enough wire so that you could make a hook so that you could put your fish hook on with it. Okay, but this is our end result of our abstract bracelet. I love it. You can make a whole bunch of these and put them on your wrist. You can do them in different colors. And just like I said, you have to make sure though that, look at these two together. That is awesome. You can also make some wood beads. You can put some wood beads with it. You can make a set of wood beads, or if you have some natural stones, you can do some natural stones with it. But I like this just like this. And like I said, you can do it in as many colors as you want, but you got to make sure that you use enough wire, okay? The wire has to be 6 feet long, all right? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much. I greatly appreciate all of your support. Go make yourself plenty. Like I said, some earrings. You can do earrings. You may even be able to do a choker. If you do a choker, you're going to have to use more wire in order to do a choker. Okay? All right, so with that being said, y'all go make plenty. If you decide to do this and you are following me on Instagram, please tag me in it to let me know that you made and created it. And I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.